The trial of the former police chief of Catalonia, Josep Lluís Trapero, has started in Spain. Mr. Trapero appeared in the dock on charges of rebellion over his role in the region's failed 2017 independence bid. The trial started just a week after Socialist Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez's new left-wing coalition government took office, in a move that was helped by the support of a Catalan separatist party. Gerard Escaich reports.
Catalonia's search for independence hasn't come to an end, but neither has the trial of former leaders of the push for independence. On Monday, the Spanish National Court started the trial of Catalan's police former major, Josep Lluís Trapero. He is accused of rebellion and faces a sentence of up to 11 years. The prosecutor questioned Trapero on the actions of police on September 20th of 2017. That day, 40,000 protesters gathered at the headquarters of the Catalan Ministry of Economy following a raid by Spanish police. The Spanish police had difficulty leaving due to the number of protesters and the lack of support from Catalan police. Josep Lluís Trapero, responsible for maintaining order, defended his action.
How many people do we make cordons with? Where do we get them? Because we've always said, if it had been something planned, if we could have 50 vans that day, but we don't have them.
Jordi Sanchez, former leader of Catalan independence organization and currently in prison, led the demonstration. Prosecutors said he told Trapero not to bring many officers onto the streets.
Mr. Sanchez, him or any others, did not impose conditions. Mr. Sanchez is not an authority to do so. I don't think he intended to, at least in communications he had with me, and I would doubt with those he had with other commanders.
Sacked from his position with the application of Article 155 of the Spanish Constitution in Catalonia, Major Trapero has already appeared in court. He testified as a witness on the trial against the Catalan political leaders, where he claimed he tried to stop the independence referendum. While the trial is expected to finish in March, it is now time for the prosecution to decide if they charge Trapero with rebellion or amend the charges to sedition, as the Supreme Court didn't convict any leaders on charges of rebellion. Gerard Escaich for Euronews.